Hey y'all, welcome back to another Christmas Dollar Tree DIY. I have 3 DIYs for y'all. I'm super excited about these. I love how they turned out. So let's go ahead and get this video started. So for this first one, I went ahead and got 6 of those 18-inch Dollar Tree wreaths, and I went ahead and stacked 2 of them together, and I tied them with those garland ties. The only reason I did this was because one wreath by itself, it is not that big. They're not too fluffy. I mean, they're from the Dollar Tree, so that's expected. So if you do stack them, just tie them up and it makes it look fuller. And also do not mind my pants. These are the pants I wear when I do crafts and also when I'm going to paint. And I did not end up painting this day, but I like to wear these just in case. I don't want to ruin my good ones. Alright y'all, so here comes the fun part, is decorating your wreath. Of course you can decorate it however you like. I kept mine super simple, just some pine cones, some berries, and some ornaments. So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late. Come on in, come on up, come on over. It's the friendliest time of year. Come on up, come on in, nothing better than to give the gift of cheer. So come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be singing all them songs. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. Ba 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 da ba 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 da ba da ba ba da. Ba 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 da ba ba. Yeah, ba 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 ba. Come on in, come on in. Come on in, come on in, nothing better. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. So for this year, I wasn't sure which way I wanted to go as far as my Christmas decor, but every time I think of Christmas, I think of reds and greens, so I decided to stay with the traditional red. Next year I might change it, maybe like a winter wonderland, but for this year I just kept it simple, just the reds and the greens. And I really love the buffalo check. I love the way these wreaths turned out. I think they look super cute. Alright, on to the next project. So this little project right here, I actually wanted to do back in the spring. Just because I think that's when they put out those colorful birds, or I'm not sure. But I know that I wanted to do this back in the spring, so I decided to go ahead and do it for Christmas. I saw these red birds at a Dollar Tree, so I decided to go ahead and make like a bird's nest. So what you want to get is those wax holders right there. I got them in white, and then just you can use some green moss. I think Dollar Tree has a green moss or green, kind of like a pine or straw. I don't know what you call it, but anything green that looks like grass. I decided to add some pine cones, and then I took my willow wreath that you saw there and I just cut little twigs just to make it look like little twigs and branches. And then what I used for the nest, I used some Spanish moss. I actually got all this last year, y'all, so I haven't been looking at the Dollar Trees to see if they have any of this stuff, just because I already had leftover from last year. But for the nest, you want to use the Spanish moss, which is that brown, which makes a mess, by the way. And then just glue it to the top of the wax holder, just like I'm doing right there, and then glue your bird down, and it just looks like he's in a nest. I think this is honestly, this was super simple, and I think it's the best one. I love the way this one looks. But towards the end, I did not add this in the video, but I felt like where the grass was, it was just empty. So I added bigger pine cones with some snow on them. I think I added the ones I got at the Dollar General. It just made it look better. And also that candle stick right there, I did not glue it. I just wanted to show y'all the difference in height. You can put it on top of that candle. It's a candle holder that's also from the Dollar Tree. But here's a picture of them side by side, level. And then I will show you another picture with one of the nests on top of the candle holder. And I just think it looks really cute, and it's super simple. I just think it looks adorable. I love the way the red bird turned out. Alright guys, so for this next one, so those two buckets right there I already had from last year, but you can use any bucket you like. You can go to the Dollar Tree and see if they have these, or I've seen actually some Christmas buckets. But basically what I'm doing here is I am using this to make little Christmas trees. With the Dollar Tree Christmas trees that they have out, but I went ahead and painted both of these white. I gave it about 3 coats of chalk paint, and then what I did was I went online, well, I went on Pinterest and I was trying to find some free printables, any Christmas printables, and I found one. I will link her website down below. I believe it's sincerelysarahd.com. She has one that says a tree farm fresh, and it says pretty much cut your own, and then of course the saying pine, spruce, cedar, and fir. But what was so awesome about hers was that she left it edible. I'm sorry, that sounded like I said edible. I did not edible, but it's editable. So you can edit it. So basically she left a blank space so you can add your city and state. Now of course I did not add my city just for safety reasons, but I did add my state. So I printed it, and it's one of them, I printed 2 of them because I made 2 of these. One of them says Alabama, the other one says New Jersey. New Jersey because that is where I'm from, and then Alabama because that is where I live now. Alright, so what you're gonna do is you can buy one of these styrofoams either from Walmart, the Dollar Tree, wherever you want to get one, but I got mine obviously at the Dollar Tree. I went ahead and hot glued it to the inside of the bucket just so it can keep it nice and sturdy. Then I went ahead and grabbed one of those Christmas trees, and these Christmas trees, you guys, are not full, so you are going to use the garland ties, the same ones that I use to tie my Christmas wreaths with. I will be using the garland ties to go ahead and make the Christmas tree look fuller. So what I'm doing here is, like I said, I'm hot gluing it to the bottom just so it is secure, and then I am just fluffing out the branches, the existing branches, and then I will go ahead and tie those garland ties to the Christmas tree. Alright guys, so after you fluff out your tree, you can decorate this however you like. I ended up just using berries and pine cones, and then I flocked the tree with some white chalk paint. I love that look, and that is all. I did also add a Dollar General bow that I got. You can add a bow to the top. I just had one that I got at Dollar General. It was a buffalo check. I added it to one of the trees, and then I left the other one without it. So I'm giving you 2 different views of this tree, one with the bow, one without. I'm not sure which way I want to go. They both look pretty cute, so I don't know. I have to think about that one. But yes, you can add whatever you want to this tree. You can add ornaments, however you want to decorate it. I'm just trying to give you an idea. I think mine looks really cute. I love the way that this turned out. Hey guys, I just also wanted to let you know really quick that the printable that I used, I will link it down below, but I don't think I mentioned this, but I did use my Cricut machine, and I know that you saw that in the video, but you can also print it on your computer and Mod Podge it onto whatever bucket you use. You don't have to have a Cricut. I just used my Cricut because I wanted it to be a sticker. So what I did is print it on my printer, but I printed it on sticker paper, and then I ran it through my Cricut machine, and the Cricut cut it out to however I wanted it to be cut. The square shape, whatever shape I tell it to, that's how I cut it. But I did not want to Mod Podge it. I just wanted to have the sticker. But you can also Mod Podge it. I know not everyone has a Cricut, but that is another way you can do it too. Alright y'all, so I really love the way these trees turned out. Here is one with a bow and one without. I don't know which one I like. I think I like the one with the bow. I'm not sure yet. But here is everything I did for y'all today. If y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button. I think I have one more video coming out for y'all, or 2 more videos. I'm not sure if I want to separate them and put them all together. I do want to go ahead and decorate my home for Christmas. I will be hosting Thanksgiving this year. I will not be hosting Christmas. As most of y'all know, or if you are new, I do work in healthcare, and we do not close for holidays. So I will be working, not Christmas Day, but I will be working Christmas Eve and then the day after Christmas. So I will not have people over my home. So I will be decorating before Thanksgiving because I will be hosting Thanksgiving, and I would love to have my decorations out. So I will do a video on that, like a decorate and clean with me. So stay tuned for that. But y'all, if you try any of these DIYs, please tag me on Instagram or let me know in the comments below. I would love to see how yours turned out. Alright guys, that is all for this video, and I hope that y'all enjoyed it, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye guys!